I was lost. They told me that there is two biggest main market here. This is like Paltan Bazaar.
Yes.
And the other one is Fancy Bazaar.
Fancy Bazaar.
Yes. Fancy Bazaar.
Fancy Bazaar.
It means things are there different, fancy things.
Lowest price of clothes.
Okay. Thanks. Nice to meet you guys.
Bye.
What is this one? What is this?
This is a chatpati.
Chatpati.
Yeah.
Chatpati, yeah?
Just get it. This is chatpati.
Chatpati, guys. First time trying chatpati. Some
Try.
Assami things.
Indian chatpati.
Yeah, so hello Assam people. We are here in, what is the name of this?
My name Bimble Box.
Your name is?
Bimble Box.
Bimble Box.
Yes.
Wow, unique name. So this is Paltan Bazaar market.
The
Right?
Paltan Bazaar, yes.
Paltan Bazaar.
Assam
This is one market here, guys. Is it the biggest market here?
This is market like the fancy bazaar, like big market of the Guwahati.
Biggest market of Guwahati, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Like what is famous here that I can find?
Famous tour palace. Tour palace like Paltan Bazaar, Ganeshpuri, Anagar, Fancy Bazaar.
Okay. So like here, where can I find the dressing, like the market for the
Dressing
dress?
like where the women like Assamese women like all like sari, like southern Meghalaya.
No, for men. Dress for men.
For men.
Yeah.
Like gamsa, my traditional Assamese gamsa, and like
Where can I find this?
like like
Can
shop,
you show me?
shop.
This way?
Yes.
This I have to go inside.
Shop and we have.
Okay, the biggest from which side I have to go to find the main? Huh?
Where from?
I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
Yes.
Okay, so from which side I should go?
Okay.
Which side I should
Sounds
go?
like Assamese men dress.
Here, what do you speak? Your language, local language?
My local language Assamese and
Assamese.
Boro.
Assamese and Boro.
Assamese, Boro,
Teach me something in your local language.
Local language.
One word from Assamese, like say.
You tell me.
Yes, I will tell you to say.
My name.
My name is Gabs.
Monam. Your
Monam.
name, tell me.
Monam.
You tell me name.
Gabs.
Yes. Monam.
Gabs. Monam Gabs.
Monam Gabs.
In Boro?
Angni Muangma
Angni Muangma
Gabs.
Angni Muangma Gabs.
Okay.
In Assam is again the first one was
Mulbhal. I'm good.
how do you say how are you guys?
Tell
you
me.
How are you guys? Mobile.
Mulbhal means like I'm good.
No, how to say how are you guys? Hello guys, how are you Assam people?
Yes.
How to say in Assamese?
Moi dekhai asu.
Moi dekhai aisu.
Paltan Bazaar.
Moi dekhai aisu.
Paltan Bazaar.
Paltan Bazaar. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I'll
Bye.
go, okay? Okay, you will find in Gabi this vlog, okay? Thank you. Bye. Okay. Yeah. So meeting some locals out here. So there is something I just found different about this place, guys. You can see here you have the bus, they have the bus stand, guys. Like this is something in Shillong I've never seen like this. I've never seen. Huh? My channel, okay. My channel is this one. Gabs Gabi React. Okay? This one only. Yes. Okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Have your WhatsApp number?
Text me there. It's Instagram, same. Yeah. Okay. So you see, guys, like this bus here, I've never seen in Shillong. I've never seen that in Shillong, guys. And this is something different. Like in Shillong, people usually use the cab. Like they use cab. They use small cars because of their road. And Assam is kind of little bit wide and big for me, guys. And what is more different is that also like here is little more traffic, like it's a big city, guys. And the weather also is totally different, man. You know, when I was coming from Shillong, guys, I was wearing two jackets. Guys, because it is so cold outside there. But here is very hot. It's the opposite. It's not that hot, but you don't need jacket to wear here. Yeah, it's moderate, but it's not that hot, guys. So this is the view, guys, and this is my first time here. The expression in the main city, guys. The city is busy, people are running, and I just love that. I can say that people have so many means of transport in this place, because if they can provide bus, because the first time when I came to Assam, guys, they said it's like the gateway to northeast, guys. It is the gateway to northeast India. So there is one temple behind me there, and here is kind of a hotel, guys. I'm just showing you the view and everything. Let me just have a selfie of this place. Yeah, so let's just move. This is, yeah, see, you can see the bus, right? They have very huge bus. They have very huge bus. Actually, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just like exploring around, guys. I'm exploring and moving around. I just want to experience the city, guys. I want to see the city, the look, the view, and the vibe, and everything here. I see also so much of bike, guys. So much of bike, which is something totally different. Yeah, and also something I've never seen in Shillong. You can see there the scooty, guys. The auto, I mean auto. I've never seen. It is there maybe, but it's rare. It's rare to see it. There is one temple here. I don't know the name because but it's kind of Ganesha. I can see the statue there is Ganesha, the statue of Ganesha, guys. But see things that I've never seen in Shillong, like the auto. They call it rickshaw. We call it rickshaw. Auto. I've never seen there. And those big bus, the big transport outside here. Hello, hi, fine. The big bus, the auto, guys. I've never seen it. I've never seen them in Shillong, and just know Guwahati is big. For me, Guwahati is big. But I also love the place, guys. I love Shillong. I love Shillong, guys. I love Shillong. And let me just explore for you Guwahati. So far, I love the food of Guwahati also, guys. I tried the Guwahati thali, guys. It was so tasty. It was so tasty. So amazing, man. Yeah, pass, bro. Yeah. It was so tasty, and I'm just here exploring, showing you the beauty of Assam. The beauty of Assam, guys. Assam city. Beauty of Assam city. Whoa. Wow. It's nice, right? So busy, guys. From what I can see, guys, I can tell that Assam has the biggest population, guys, because you can see so many different means of transport outside here. So this happens when the city is populated or people are more, guys. This is just my point of view for the first time being outside here, guys. Yeah. Cool. What's the name? What? Huh? Sweet name. Satu. That's enough, bro. You just have to say Satu. Okay? Yeah, so it's gonna be try of Assamese sweet, guys. Satu. This is Satu. First bite for the first time.
पेशेंट के 580 काम कितने आधा किलो
It has kaja here. Not kaja, but that almond. I think it's almond. I thought kaja. It's so heavy to eat, guys. So heavy to eat. But maybe because it's first time try, I can't even finish the first bite. I can't finish the first bite, guys. So just let me show you the different sweets they have here. So guys, I was almost lost, so I have to ask them your name.
My name is Devota Ghosh.
Okay, and you?
Shayan Bishas.
Okay, so they have to tell me, I was lost. They told me that there is two biggest main market here. This is like Paltan Bazaar.
Yes.
And the other one is Fancy Bazaar.
Fancy Bazaar. Yes.
Fancy Bazaar.
Fancy Bazaar.
It means things are there different, fancy things.
Lowest price of clothes.
Okay. Thanks. Nice to meet you guys.
Bye.
Let's have a selfie. Okay? Yeah. What is this one? What is this?
This is a chatpati.
Chotbati. Can I try? Can I try? Just try chotbati. It's famous. I am seeing everywhere.
Famous.
Chotbati, huh? Guys, I'm seeing this everywhere around in Assam here. So I was like, let me try. First time. I want to try it for the first time. Chotbati.
First time, huh?
First time. First time seeing.
First time seeing.
I don't know this. Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Also,
Yeah. Chotbati, yeah?
just chatted. This is chhatpati.
Chotpati, guys. First time trying chotpati. Some
Try. This
Assami
is
things.
Indian chhatpati.
It's good. It's nice. It's made from atta or wheat? Wheat flour? This one is
Chana.
oh chana. Okay, chana is very healthy. Chotpati. Thank you. Welcome. That's fine, huh? Okay. Thank you, sir. So, first time, guys. He gave me small try from it. Chotpati for free only. I tried one bite. Yeah.